Goa was experiencing light to moderate rains for the past 3 to 4 days. Rainfall activity slightly increased by yesterday late evening. The reason for increase in rainfall is actually a well-marked low pressure area that is over Chhattisgarh as on today. The system had formed over Bay of Bengal on 25th of August and is slightly moved westward, and as on today, that is on 28th of August, it's over Chhattisgarh region. So this system is again expected to move westward and northwestward in the coming days, and now it is over Chhattisgarh and in the neighborhood of Madhya Pradesh. So at this point it is expected to increase the westerly and southwesterly winds over Goa, and rainfall activity is expected to slightly increase over Goa comparing to past 3 or 4 days. Now light to moderate rainfall is expected at most places, and we are expecting that 1 or 2 stations over north and south Goa is very likely to receive heavy rainfall also. Heavy rainfall means rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters and below 12 centimeters in 24 hours. So this condition is going to be there for coming 2 days, that is 28th and 29th. We are expecting isolated heavy rainfall over Goa. Then again the system is going to get weakened and move further away from Goa, so its impact will be much lesser. About the rainfall that has reported in the past 24 hours, stations KM and Sangin reported 9 centimeters and 6.5 centimeters of rainfall respectively. Mata, Dabolim, Ponda also reported 3 centimeters of rainfall. Anji reported rainfall of 0.5 centimeters, light rainfall. Now, like we told, there is possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over North and South Goa districts on 28th and 29th of August. As of now, there are no further warnings after 29th, but we would request that people and public be updated with the latest information published on IMD websites and social media platforms. Now there are no fishermen warnings for coastal regions, that is, there is no fishermen warning within 75 kilometers from the coastal area for Goa. Only on day 2, that is on 29th, there is fishermen warning for Gujarat coast. There is no warning for Goa coast in this coming 5 days. Goa coast or North Maharashtra coast, South Maharashtra coast in these 5 days. Regarding the total cumulative rainfall over Goa in this season, as on 29th of August, Goa has recorded a total cumulative rainfall of 338 centimeters, which is 29% higher than the normal value for this period up to 28th of August. In last year, on 28th of August 2019, this was 20% higher.